Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to download Bybit app. So guys, for those using Android on your app store, you can download Bybit app. For those using iPhone, you can download Bybit app on your Play Store. So guys, for those using Android phone, on your app store you search for Bybit. You click on this. So guys, this is the Bybit app. You install it on your Android phone. So guys, this is how the Bybit platform looks like. So guys, after you download the Bybit app, you will register with your email. You can also use my invite code to register. After your registration, you will do your KYC and your security. You click on the security. You will download Google 2FA authentication. You will set your phone password. You will input your mobile number, your email for your security. So guys, don't forget this. Don't forget this. You can also lock your app in case of scammers. So guys, this is very important. Then you do your identity verification. You click on your location. Don't forget this. After your identity verification, which you can use your NIN, your international passport, or your driver's license, then you will click on I have confirmed on my selection as true and correct. Then you click on confirm. So guys, after you have sorted all this out, you can trade on Bybit. You will buy USDT stablecoin for your trading, or you buy USDT stablecoin on the P2P market. So guys, you can watch my video on how to buy USDT on P2P market. You can also watch my video on how to sell USDT on P2P market, how to withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. So guys, you can watch these two important videos. When you buy your USDT, this is the market. This is the market. So all these coins are under USDT trading pairs. So for instance, if you want to buy Dodge, make sure you have USDT to buy Dodge. This is the queue. The green part of the spot trade is the queue. So guys, anytime you want to buy any coin, you have to join the queue. The red part of the spot trade are people that are selling. The green part of the spot trade, these are people that are buying. So guys, don't forget this. Yeah, when you want to buy any coin, you type the amount of USDT you want to use to buy that coin, then you click on buy. When you click on buy, you have purchased that coin. You come to your assets. Under asset is where you will find your spot wallet. So any coin you buy, it will be in this section of your Bybit app. So guys, don't forget this. If you also want to buy any coin, if you don't want to use the spot market to buy any coin, if you have USDT, you click on convert, meaning you are converting USDT to buy any coin of your choice. You click on max, you click on quote, then I think you click on confirm. Once you do that, your coin will be available in your spot or unified trading account. If you want to sell your coins to receive the currency of your country, you will come to P2P market. This is the P2P market. So this is where you buy USDT for those living in Nigeria. And if you want to sell your USDT, you will sell your USDT on the P2P market. So you buy, you sell. So guys, this is how to download Bybit app on the App Store. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.